folks, Joe Casadonti Homes. Flooring walls, as you can see. Everything's looking great. Everybody's being safe, keeping distance. Some guys are wearing masks. Beautiful day. Pour's going well. See our foundation here, our footing and our wall forms. You can see it's dry down in here, which is really good. Like once we pour everything, they'll pour all day today. They'll get these walls done today. The forms will sit on there for a day or two, then they'll strip them off. We'll take all the forms out, and then we'll be ready to do our rubber wall foundation coating. And that rubber wall will go all the way onto the footing there. You can see about 6 inches of footing. They take those forms off, so the entire wall gets done, and then up to grade. And then that part of the footing also gets full rubber on it. And then that stone you see there, that's where the pipe is underneath that stone that's draining. So, again, water hits the foundation, it goes down into that stone pit area, into the sump, into the, perforated pipe, then into the sump pump and out. So here we are, doing our thing. So, let me get back to it. All right, have a good day, folks.